guys, it's me, the Bonnie Gamer here, and today I'm gonna be playing Five Nights at Freddy's, and this is episode 3. We continue on doing night 2. Yep, you guys heard it. Night 2. Oh shoot, why did I close the door? Stupid obsessive touch. Hello, Bonnie. Oh God! Bonnie, please don't kill me. I'm your best friend. Let's see if he puts his face in the camera. No thanks. Boing, 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 boing. Boing, boing, boing. Oh gosh, we started the game. Because I need more. I need skill. Bonnie! Are you teaming up with Foxy? Freddy, you're in the dining area. Thought so. Okay, the 3 puppets are out. The 3 main animatronics are out. Squeezy, squeezy noise, squeezy noise, squeezy noise, squeezy. Please, I don't want to play FNAF 1. I want to play FNAF 1. FNAF 1 is too scary to play. Okay, I may not drain all my power down. Hallelujah. Just they don't move if I keep looking at them. Bonnie? What did... Oh no. I don't think you dared, Bonnie. You really think you will fool me? No, you won't fool me. I have my light protection, and I want you to move right now. Bonnie, just move already. Okay, he's there. Come on. Come on. Oh. Screw you, Bonnie. Oh, wait. Chica. In the kitchen. Oh gosh, there's a dog. Yep, Bonnie, definitely. I knew you were going to be there. I just had a feeling. I can see in your brain, Bonnie. I can see in your brainos. I can see in your brain. Gosh, Chica. Hard time finding your pizza. And Foxy's daring to move. And why is that? Bonnie, you have the big mind. Can you tell everybody why Foxy isn't moving? Why did you scare me? You idiot. I don't know why I'm calling my home an idiot. No, why am I opening that door? Is he controlling my brain? Don't tell me he's controlling my brain, guys. Oh my. Hacky hack, key hack. Key hack, key hack. Key hack. Key hack, key hack. This is all I really do now. Check those lights, check Foxy, check the lights, check Foxy, check... I shouldn't do that. Oh God, I'm dying. Freddy, I'm happy to see you. No honk for death. Can I even see the honk? Yes. Yes, you can honk it. Well, everybody say goodbye to my... Yes! I I finally finished night 2! Without even seeing Freddy's beautiful face. So guys, that will be it for today's Five Nights at Freddy's episode. Hope you all enjoyed. And I'll let you see me in the next video. Scare the freak out of me. Bye bye.